Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and remove this screw here and one just over to the side of the steering wheel. On the upper portion of our gauge cluster, there are 2 Phillips head screws. Let's go ahead and remove these. Grab your trim. Pop that forward. On the back side of your light switch, there is a connector. You want to press down on this top tab right here. Go ahead and work that off. On the back side, there are little clips. You can just pry that out gently with our pick. Get one on the other side. You can actually see the other side just by looking up and over through the windshield, and you'll be able to see that connector. Push that on through. Good. To feed your switch into the trim bezel here, push it in. You hear it clip into place. Take your harness, line that up. Once that's all set, go ahead and line up your trim bezel. Pop this back together. Let's go ahead and install our upper bezel screws. Install our lower trim bezel here. Snug that down, and then put in our other screw in the bottom here. And tighten that one down.